everyone, welcome back to 7 Days channel. Today, as you can see, I'm in a new environment. This is the bedroom of my hometown in the north of Italy, and it really needed to be revamped. As you can see, this is the messy room, how we started. So actually something is missing over here. I'm planning to paint this part. I'm planning to remove this desk and to do a couple of things more, like a proper rug. I decided to go for a kind of English countryside style, and I really wanted to bring in the color blue. That's why I made this blue accent wall, the color red and the color white, and I put also some items to spice it a little bit up. For example, this amazing pillow. Okay, so the room is a mess. Tiramos doesn't want to be recorded, and we are gonna use this lovely blue night. Exactly how I was planning. Look how good is this blue with this red. So I'm trying to sand this old frame that I had marine, but with humidity is not good anymore. I went to Jumbo and I got a fresh new curtain rack that is adjustable because I'm here in Greece and I don't know the measurements in Italy. And I got brand new curtains. Then I'm planning to bring a carpet that I have here to my hometown, and I have edited some pictures of Argo because I want to give this English hunting style with the blue, with white and with a red. And what else I want to do? I think that's it. I think that with this will be more than enough. Here is the carpet. I'm gonna remove it from my kitchen because it's horrible in my kitchen, and I think that this kind of blue, hi Benny, hello, it's gonna go with my bedroom. Month after month, this room is changing, so I managed to bring everything I had in mind from Greece to here, and we are gonna try to fix my ideas. First of all, I'm gonna show you how is the room right now, and then we're gonna get started. When you enter, the room is like this. I don't know if you remembered that I made this wall. I'm super sorry because again it's night. I really hope that tomorrow morning I can show you better. My mom decided to put this this duvet. Is not exactly the vibe that I would like to have, but at least the colors can match together, so good job, mom. I'm surely gonna use this this vivid red, and I'm gonna use this pillow. It's kind of Argo, and again I wanna use this frame to put in the center like a headboard, and inside I want to put 2 pictures of Argo. Here, even if you think that is trash, is not. They are actually some glasses from IKEA that are gonna be our light beds. And then what else? Let me think. Yes, I got this curtain rack and the curtains in white, and I'm gonna put them over there. And carpet, the blue carpet made it. So number 1, carpet. Number 2, we have to fix this mess of the blanket. Number 3, we have to put our lights. Number 4, we have to put the curtains. And number 5, we have to put Argo, my dog, over there. Ready, go! I am planning to braid some threads over here so it will be more defined, I think, over there and over here. Trying to see if I like the tassels, and I think yes, I like them. So I'm cutting just 3 equal parts. I'm folding in 2. I'm doing a knob, and I'm gonna attach them like with the thread. It is still not decluttered, but this is how we went by far. So the bed check, the carpet check, except for the threads over there. Today I really want to do the 2 light sconces and the curtain, and I want to figure out what to do there. If it is a nice idea to put these 2 pictures over there, or maybe leave the frame just gold with no pictures. Credit to the Sorry Girls. Here is our scones. So this is a piece of iron. We are gonna cut the excess, and we are gonna do some holes. What are you doing? Okay, I didn't understand what was going on, and now yes. So we are gonna do go do 2 holes in the back, like 1 here, 1 here, and like the Sorry Girls were explaining, but we are gonna do also 2 channels, 1 here and 1 here, so all the weight is not held only by the iron, this part of the iron, but also this part. We're gonna do it and you will understand. We are making the channel. So what I was trying to say is that we made this channel, so when you put the iron, also the channel is gonna support part of the weight as well, not only the hole here but also this channel. We're gonna put some glue inside here and inside the channel, and it will be super steady. Okay, so now we are gonna spray paint in gold so it will match the frame, also these 2 pieces of wood. Forgot to mention that we pre-hold the 2 pieces so that here we can put the screws to attach the piece of wood at the wall. The glue, patch to the channel and in the hole. Okay, we're gonna put our iron threads. And because we can, because my father had amazing tools, we are gonna press. We are trying to put the curtains. I have a small problem. There was just 1 curtain, so For now it's okay, and next time that I come to Italy I will bring the second one. Let's try to see if it's working. Clack, clack, clack. Sorry for the mess. And then we're gonna put the lamp. Look how gorgeous is the lamp. Switch. Light. The pictures of Argo are great. You're gonna see them better in a few minutes, but I'm thinking also to write a quote before hanging it. You will see, it's a lot Argo. Let's go. Watch out. 3, 2, 1. Docking complete. I don't always bark at night, but when I do, it's for no reason. Perfect for Argo. Look at him. Sorry for the mess, but this is the result. I'm super happy. Just, I would like, maybe I had to write in a better style. It's a little bit child world, but I wanted to write a quote because he's so funny in this picture, and it's just him. So okay, if I don't like it, maybe I can change the paper and I can write it again. But for now, it's perfect, I think. The last thing that I changed, and I am really so sad about it. I changed the painting. Actually, I put this the Kiss of Klimt, that was my mother's, because unfortunately I really hate to say it, but it goes better than Argo. So maybe Argo will be used in my hometown, in Greece. And I forgot to tell you that basically I think that Klimt is working much better than Argo, than my dog, because here there are all the colors that I'm using. The gold, the blue, the red and the white. So if you need a cohesive look in your room, whatever it is, it can be also a kitchen, you can bring a piece of art, like a painting, with all of the colors of your room, and that will automatically give a cohesive look. And look how, okay, the quality of the video is not that good, but look how cozy it is with the two lights, with the warm lights. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to support the 7 Days channel, subscribe. It's the red button over there. Thank you so much. See you soon. Bye bye.
Per colorare una parete grande
ci vuole pennello grande.
cinghiale. Vabbè, tanto ci sarà la musichetta, no? Ci sarà la
Vabbè, io
musica.
parlo adesso. Exactly the color that I wanted. The super contrast with the red. Puoi pure chiudere, ma se vuoi.
Ah, è finita.
Sì, volevo fare una cosa